which brings us to procurement as a strategic lever. So procurement, no longer just a thing that we do day to day. It's about wrapping a strategy around it. So procurement is more than a back office function. It directly impacts your profitability and your resilience, as opposed to just day-to-day, everyday decisions, having an overarching strategy that helps you to accomplish your goals. Strategic procurement enables pharmacies to influence not just costs, but your compliance, supply chain stability, and patient outcomes. We know there's always going to be disruptions in the supply chain. You won't be able to predict things like how often a drug that you need is going to be in stock, how fast you can get it. The vendors are going to give you information about when that's going to be available, but no matter how well you plan, things are going to happen. And whether or not you have the time to be able to make a strategic decision, your procurement tool is going to be the thing that's going to help you. And leaders who elevate procurement to a performance-driven performance driver, they gain visibility and control across the organization. And I'm really excited to talk to you about Purchase Manager Compliance Insights, making it easy for the people that make the day-to-day decisions to make decisions that align with your overall strategy and goals. And when approached strategically, procurement can be a source of competitive advantage rather than a source of frustration. And I think we've done great work in trying to reduce the frustration and make it easier to make those day-to-day decisions and make those decisions faster. So now let's talk about the trends that are driving the change in pharmacy. Chase, can you walk us through it?
Yeah, absolutely. So when we look at these trends that are driving the most change, these industry shifts, we've got more generics, we have fewer vendors, we have rising shortages, and tougher compliance, all at the same time. So we weren't kidding about receiving the pressure from all angles before. It's very real, and they're accelerating the need for change. In any industry, the industry is changing. The pharmacies, in this instance, have to change to adapt and survive. And pharmacies that modernize their procurement, they're going to be better equipped to handle all those pressures. I think the old adage of innovate or die is still very, very applicable. And there's no status quo that survives with this many changes.